Maybe Mayor will answer this. Mayor, paano kung si Pastor na mismo ang magsabi sa iyo na tumakbo ka na bilang presidente? Tatakbo ka ba?
Pastor, pila ba'y atong pundo diya? Hindi. Wala. The pastor knows that I seek the guidance of God. And alam mo kami ni Pastor, matagal na kaming magkakilala. Yung mga minsan, yung problems that would crop up in front of us, ito, ganito, nagtitinginan lang kami. And I would know what he would want me to do or what results he likes to see. Parang ganun.
Maybe those people, Mayor, no, they are also Filipinos, and they know what's happening in Davao, how you govern here. So I think it's out of exasperation of what they are seeing in the country. Among this, you say, very ambitious. Everyone wants to be president, and here you are the most qualified besides the president GMA, and here you are. You know, it's like the one chosen in the Bible. He was already chosen as the king, but he was hiding himself. So, ganun yung feeling ko. Ganun din siguro yung feeling ng maraming tao sa Pilipinas because they see how lucky we are here in Davao to have a mayor like you, not to mention how you go after the evil, the criminals, and people have the sense of security. And look at what's happening to the country. People are exasperated, really. So just by having you here and speak to them, that means a lot already.
Hanggang dyan lang ako. Ay,